Want to clear the Elementor cache on your WordPress website? In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps so your site runs smoother and faster than ever. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Just a heads up, I've added my Elementor affiliate link in the description. If you're thinking of giving it a try, I'd really appreciate the support. Now, start by opening your browser and heading to the back end of your WordPress website. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu panel and click on Elementor, then go to Tools. In the Tools section, you'll see an option called Elementor Cache, and right next to it, a button labeled Clear Files and Data. Click on that button, and Elementor will instantly clear its cache from your site. Once that's done, make sure to click Save Changes to finalize the process. That's it, quick and easy. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.